Hey guys, this is a quick video on how to fix the chain routing on a Kent Trouvaille. Lots of these bikes were not assembled properly and the chain ended up misrouted. And I didn't find any specific video that could pinpoint exactly how to fix it, so I decided to make my own. If you notice, these were assembled to have the chain routed in front of the metal bracket in between the derailleur. This is what's going to cause extra wear and rubbing on that chain. What you want to do is route the chain behind that metal bracket so there isn't any contact between that chain and the actual bracket that's right there in the middle. The rest of the routing from assembly should be correct. Just ensure that it does have the correct routing and that it correctly joins at the other link of the chain. And to do that, you just find the connecting link on the chain and join the chains together. You can use it with tools, specific tools. That's what I did in this case. And then just kind of ensure at the end an extra check that the chain is properly fixed.